Welcome to video lecture series on optical communication. I am Kanakadurga from St. Peter's Engineering College, working as an associate professor in EC department. I am discussing on basics of fiber slicings. Fiber slicing, a permanent joint formed between the two individual of optical fibers. Normally, the fiber slicing we required when I want to join the two cables or when the cable has been joined, we have to remove the damaged portion and we have to join them. At that time, we require the slicing concept better uh, for better joining of the part like position for the better position, so we require the slicing in order to join the two cables. Fiber slicing is frequently used for when we are going for longer distance. We cannot use a single cable for cabling purpose. At that time we have to go for joining of two cables. At that time also we require the slicings, and there are no we requires the if the length of the distance are going to be increases, we have to use the joining sessions. So for better positions of two cables, we require the fiber slicing concept. Slicing are broadly classified upon the way you are utilizing the technique, the mechanically you are doing or a fusion type of the technique you are using. Depending upon that, we will categorize. Nothing but simply we are going to use twisting and just covering the by cap, that will be mechanical type. Fusion, we are going to use the welding, and we are going to use the for joining purpose we will use the heating. All these things comes under the slicings. We will discuss on that types of slicings. A requirement with the fiber is ended for slicing for smooth and square end of the faces. And if you observe over here, there has been curvature in nature, there will be having the more tension on that, and often breakage are going to be occur in this place. Having a chance of breakaging has been going to be occur for the high tension of the value, and depending upon that the breakage of cable going to be having the chances for the damage. So at that time we can use the cutting tool of the technique in order to avoid that problem breakaging of the cable, and we can go for the slicing for better replacement. However, the straight and break tools of utilized with for better results. An alternative technique that involves circumferential scoring that provides a control method of lightly scoring around the fiber circumferences, and we have to see how much the circular has been there, and how we can avoid the things, how we can able to uniformly distribute the cable, and how much the diameter of the cable is there. Is it going to be a simple straight or not? Nothing but when we are going for cabling of the thing, the we have to observe all these things, that is a smoothen area or not, uniformity of area is not the is there or not. If the uniformity of area is not there, they're having a chances of damage for the cable. So we have to avoid that cases, and we have to go for the prevention for that. So the slicings can be done by two ways. One is a mechanical slicing, another one is a fusion slicing. Fusion slicing is a slicing of a technology. We are going to join two cables by using a heating process. Okay, the two cables that suppose this is a one cable I have, and I have another cable like this. What I have to do, I have to go for better position. Suppose this cable is like this, and this cannot be joined over here. We have to go for slicing of the thing has to be done exactly like this. Then you can place the another cable over the place, so that we can go for the slicing of technology at that time we require. After this has been done, in order to join these two cables, I requires we requires the heating technology. We have to heat the optical fiber, then only this can be joined, otherwise it cannot be done. Or we can go for mechanical also, but for fusion slicing we have to go for heating process, and the pressuring process is required for joining of two cables. That type of slicing process we are going to be called as fusion slicing. And we requires the covering and the solderings also required. Suppose this is a cable having a copper of the inner wire, we have to do the we have to go for we have to go for soldering process. All the things has been required in order to join the two cables. So flame of heating of the sources with microplaza torches or on oxon, hydraulic micro burners, oxygen, hydrogen, alcohol, vapor. These things can be used for heating purpose. However, most widely of the heating source is an electric arc. This technique offers very advantages and consistent, easy controlled heat adaptability for the use. We can on and off the thing for the getting of heat generated. That's why this is the most popularly used for electric arc for joining for fusion type of slicings. And the two fibers are welded together, basic for the fusion process, which involves rounding the fiber ends and lower energy of discharge, and pressing the fiber together for the fusion with the stronger. We can go for the twisting of the fibers. This technique is precision and removes the requirement for the fiber preparation for distinct advantages of environment. It can utilize the multi-mode of fibers for average slice per loss per dB. So see in this, if you observe over in this, electrolytes and the fixed blocks has been there. This is the initial setting of the fiber we have to do. And in this, one brokerage is like this, another brokerage is like this. So what I have to do, we have to slice them properly. So we are slicing them properly, arrange on the smooth surface with the provision of electric arc. So we are slicing them with properly. So once I am, for the fusion process of arrangement, I am using the electric arc for the understanding purpose. Once I have applied the electric arc of energy, then they are going to be pressed together, and these two fibers are going to be joined together. So accomplishment of this fiber has been done right now with respect to their arrangement. So these two fibers has been joined. Fusion slicing is a single mode of fiber which is typically with the core diameter between 5 to 10 micrometers, and it can go for the arrangement for the fiber alignment. Offsets less than 1 micrometer for the requirement for low loss of joints. However, the slice intention losses below with 0.3 dB may be achieved due to a self-alignment phenomena, which is partially compensates with the lateral offset. A possible drawback with the fusion slicing, heat is necessary for the fibers of the weak end of the fiber with the slices. So in the fusion type we have to for better position we have to slice them, and after better positioning of we can go for twisting and soldering. After that we can go for the heating, like we can heat by electric arc normally. Next, another type is a mechanical slicing. So in this we will not use any heat energy for the joining of two cables. We are going to use simple mechanical type of energy for the joining of two fiber cables. That's why it will be called as a mechanical slicing. And fibers held on alignment of mechanical with respect to the energy of mechanical, we are going to do slicing of joining of two cables. First one is snug tube slice. In this we are going to use two cables has been for better positionment. After that getting the position, a ceramic a capillary tube if we are going to use on the top in order to cover the two optical cables, and large enough in order to accept this cable optical fiber cables. You can use a mechanical glue between these two areas. A glue can be used for better attachment. That's it. We should not use over here heating. We are just going to be joined without any heat. That is the main difference between the fusion type and mechanical type. So we are going to use only the energy of mechanical, and we are going to use either glass or ceramic capillary tube in order to join the two optical fibers. A transparent adhesive in transference of capillary of mechanical can be used, or it can be a covered like non-transparent materials also, okay. But popularly having with respect to the transparent type of materials. Next one is loose tube slice with respect to the square cross section of capillary. In the previous session we are going to having a cylindrical shape. If you observe here, like square faces has been present, that's why it will be called as a square cross section of capillary tube. This is also used for joining of two optical cables with respect to the only mechanical, and which avoids the critical tolerance required with snug tube of slice. This loose tube slice uses oversized square section metallic tube, which especially accepts with respect to the fiber ends. This is not going to be exactly fitting with respect to the fiber. The previous going to be exactly fitting with respect to fiber. Here they'll be having the curvatures and not going to be exactly fitted with respect to the square capillary tube. It's going to be having the can have the motion internally with respect to the optical cable, and that's why it will be called as a loose tube of slicing also. And this is also going to be a transparent adhesive material we are going to use for preparation of capillary tubes, and self aligning the fibers curved with respect to the same plane, forcing the fiber ends, having the some of the cables have been with respect to the curvature of the niches has been required. We can use this type of square cross section of capillary tube mainly where it requires curvatures. Next one is mechanical with respect to V groove slice. In the mechanical, just they are going to be differ with their arrangements of the shapes of the fibers. They have been given the names. Here the V type of the structure if you are going to use, that's why it will be called as a V groove slice. Use of grooves of the secure of the fiber is to be joined. V groove slice gives alignment prepared by the ends through the intersection of a groove. If you observe, this is going to be having a curve. So on the bottom we are using a groove of the thing for better fitting of the substrate used for optical fiber. That's why it will be called as V groove. If you observe over here, it will having the shape of V at corners, edge cutting of the substrate of substance will be in terms of a V groove substrate. So it will be aligned in a V groove substrate in order for better positionment of optical fiber cable. So slice them with respect to made to be permanently and V groove with respect to the mechanical. So in this we are going to be join the two optical fibers with respect to the mechanical energy. Next one is Springer groove. Over in this the shape is different exactly with respect to the slice cutting. The previous was but the slice of the cutting with respect to the V shaped. Okay, that's why it will be called as a V groove. If you come over here in this there has been with respect to the shape has been with respect to spring type of the thing, like the curvatures, like the thing has been there with respect to the curvature of the thing. That's why it will be called a spring groove of slicing technique. The curves is going to be present not with respect to exactly V, it will have the curve. So in order to better placements of our cable having so much of curvature in this of the slicing, it can be called as a spring glue slicer. The cylindrical pin of the diameters are chosen to allow the fibers for above of the cylinder. An elastic element are used to press the fiber groove for maintenance the fiber in the alignment, and I can use a elastic type of material for better placement for the cable for in order to better alignment. Next one is array slicing. It having the multiple simultaneous fusion slicings of an array of a fiber with respect to ribbon cable has been demonstrated in the both multi-mode of the section with a single mode of fibers. An electric arc of fusion of a device was employed to provide simultaneously of a fusion, and commercially available of slicing fibers around 6 minutes. You are going to take it out, and slicing losses using this device of multi-graded index ranges from an average of 0.4 dB. This is the array slicing. You can see the things, not only a single one, it goes for array type of the cables has been there. If I am to go for slicing type of a technique, then I can choose the array type of a slicing. A simple mechanical of slicing of array of fibers, usually in a ribbon cable, and the V groove of multiple slice secondary element comparing with instead of silicon chips has been used for slicing of multi-mode of fibers, and then the 12 of the things of the trapezoidal screws are going to be used for the slide for alignment of a purpose for combining of a structure. So this is array type. You can go for using more number of slices and we can use it for the ribbon cutting over this of the area, and I can align 12 clads per fiber, and this mainly used for when I have to go for more number of cables of slicings. These are the references. Thank you.